As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the digital age, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has not only transformed industries but has also opened up new avenues for individuals to generate extra income. If you're looking to capitalize on the power of AI for a lucrative side hustle, here are the top 5 easy and proven opportunities to consider in 2024. Freelance AI services. One of the most accessible ways to make extra money with AI is by offering freelance services. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers. If you possess expertise in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, or data analysis, you can create a profile showcasing your skills and bid on relevant projects. Freelancing allows you to choose projects that align with your skills and schedule, making it a flexible and lucrative side hustle. AI-driven content creation. With the rise of AI tools for content creation, individuals can capitalize on the demand for high-quality, engaging content. Platforms like OpenAI's GPT-3 enable the creation of blog posts, articles, and even marketing copy with minimal effort. Consider offering content creation services to businesses, bloggers, or website owners looking to enhance their online presence. You can charge per word or per project, making it a scalable and adaptable side hustle. Develop and sell AI solutions. If you have programming skills, consider developing AI solutions that cater to specific needs. This could range from creating custom chatbots, recommendation engines, or automated data analysis tools. Once you've built a valuable solution, you can sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your website. Businesses and individuals are constantly seeking innovative AI applications, and by providing ready-made solutions, you tap into a market hungry for efficiency and automation. AI tutoring and education. As the demand for AI skills continues to rise, there is a growing need for educators and tutors who can help others navigate the complexities of artificial intelligence. If you have a strong understanding of AI concepts, consider offering tutoring services or creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to monetize your expertise by providing educational content. This side hustle not only helps others learn but also enhances your own understanding of AI concepts. AI-enhanced e-commerce. E-commerce businesses are increasingly turning to AI to improve customer experience, streamline operations, and boost sales. If you have knowledge in AI and an understanding of e-commerce, consider offering consultancy services to online retailers. You can help businesses integrate AI-driven solutions for personalized product recommendations, customer support chatbots, and efficient inventory management. This side hustle leverages the demand for AI expertise in the thriving e-commerce sector. In 2024, the opportunities to make extra money with AI are diverse and accessible. Whether you choose to freelance, provide content creation services, develop AI solutions, offer tutoring, or consult in the e-commerce space, the key is to leverage your skills and tap into the growing demand for AI-related services. These proven side hustles not only offer a chance to boost your income but also allow you to contribute to the widespread adoption of artificial intelligence in various industries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.